Hey guys, in this tutorial we will teach you how you can integrate N8N with Telegram or how you can connect N8N with Telegram. So let's start to integrate the N8N with Telegram. Okay, so it's very simple. Just go to credentials. Okay, and here you will see at the top this drop down arrow. Click on create credentials and just search for Telegram. Open it, continue. All we need to do is to get the token key. So to get the token key, all you need to do is to search for this. So at top on your browser, you just need to write this telegram.me/botfather. So this is our official way. Then click on enter button. It will take you to the Telegram app. Click on open Telegram app and it will go ahead with this bot father. Okay, all you need to do is now is to click on this start button, which you guys can see at the bottom. Okay, so just click on that start button. Awesome. Now all you need to do is to click on create a new bot here. Okay, click on it, and how we are going to call you, so you just need to name it. So for example, let's say if I name it, let's say let's say N8N XYZ bot. Okay, like this. And now it's saying that you need to create a username. Okay, so you can see here, first you just need to name it. So I have just named it the me as a N8N XYZ bot. Then you need to write a username for your bot, but make sure that it should be end at bot. Okay, at the end of it. Okay, so this is what we will going to do. So now let's go ahead and let's say if I write here N8N XYZ bot, click on enter. Okay, so this username is already taken. Okay, so let me just write again. Let's say N8N XYZ bot. Okay, I'm just creating a dummy one. Okay, so once you will going to do this, so I have kept this as a username and this as a bot name. Okay, and then after that it is saying us that okay, congrats, you have created your new bot. Okay, so here is your API key, which is a token key. Okay, which you guys can see here. So make sure that you do not share that with anyone else. Make it safe. And of course, for tutorial I am creating this. Okay, so I was just going to copy this token key and just go to your N8N, paste it over here, save it, and boom, you will see that your Telegram is now connected successfully, and it is testing and tested successfully. That means it's connected. Now you can see your N8N is connected with Telegram, and now you guys can start to use the Telegram in your workflow. Now all you need to do is to click on this button. You will find me here. Okay, t.me. So this is where you have to use it. Click on this link, click on start button, and this is here you can see N8N XYZ bot. So this was the name we have created for our bot, so that is showing over here. Now whenever you want to start, or let's say do the conversation, so just write here hi, and then you can start that as a trigger. Okay, so that's something good. So suppose if you go here to workflow, and let's say if you click on create workflow, and this time let's say if you go here and let's say just search for Telegram. Okay, let's say when we want to start it, so let's say on a particular message. So if you want to do that, just select, make sure this is the Telegram account which we have connected. Okay, so whenever, basically the thing is that whenever you will going to get a message, so automatically the Telegram will going to start. Okay, so that's something amazing. So all you need to do is to start a message here, and it will going to act as a trigger. Okay, so that's it. So let's wait. You can see it's executing, and it is waiting for the trigger event. Okay, so that's something amazing, right, which we have over here. Okay, so here you can see it's listening to it, and just chat it, and according to that it will do the automation, and boom, each and everything you will going to get over here. So that is all I wanted to tell you, how you can integrate Telegram, okay, with N8N. Okay, and another thing which I want to tell you, we have a more tutorials about N8N integration. So just go to kukucourses.com here, and once you go here, just go to library, click on free library, just go here to N8N credentials and integrations, click on view page, and this is the place where you can watch other tutorials about, let's say if you want to connect Google service with N8N. Okay, so you can watch this tutorial, click on view, it will open a tutorial for that. Okay, similarly, let's say if you want to know how to connect Airtable with N8N, so just simply click on view button, and in this same way you will going to find all the tutorials, okay, over here. So in future we will going to add all of them here. And another thing is that you can also check our free courses for the Telegram, sorry, for AI agent. So you can just search for AI agent, and let's say in case you don't you want to learn about AI agent, so let's wait. Okay, so it's not showing sometimes, it problem, but you will see this AI agent and automation course. It's a totally free course. Just click on start course button, and boom, you can watch all the tutorials here. And in future more tutorials will be added here. So just click on part 1, so it will open a tutorial, just watch it, okay, if you want to. Also we have N8N masterclass course, so just go here to N8N. This course is available just for $5, okay, when I'm recording the lecture. So you will going to get lifetime access. Along with that, if you want to get the membership, you can even purchase membership. So this course plus other courses in our website, you will going to get all of the paid courses in our membership. Okay, so you can just grab it. You can see more all the courses from Mautic email marketing to affiliate marketing and much other course. Okay, so this is all I wanted to tell you about the tutorial. Hope you guys have got the idea how you can connect Telegram with your N8N. Okay.